everyone, welcome to another video from Jyotirgamaya. Today I came up with few tips to gain great confidence. From some of my online readings, I just picked 5 points which I feel good and useful to create a powerful image. Let's have a look into it one by one. The first one, stop comparing yourself. Are you a person who used to compare yourself with others? If so, please don't do that. When you're comparing yourself with others, you will experience an envy. And the more the envy you experience, the worse you feel about yourself. Thinking that the other person is better will always erode your confidence. So stop comparing yourself with others. Now the second point, stop rejecting praises. When someone is giving you a compliment, how you used to take it? You'll undermine or downplay with it or say some funny comments as if you don't deserve it. Don't do that. Instead, accept it with grace and confidence. For example, if someone is telling you like, hey, you look good today, don't give that credit to your dress or your makeup. Learn to accept that compliment with great confidence. Now the third point, stand up for yourself. Don't shame yourself for all the mistakes what you are doing. Instead, learn to correct it and move ahead. When a child in front of you is doing some mistake, how you are helping them to correct it and put things in the right order. The same way you treat yourself. If you did some mistakes, learn from that mistake, correct your mistake and move ahead with confidence. Now, the fourth point, learn to say no. Are you an yes person to everything and to everyone? Then it is high time for you to learn how to say a no politely. It may feel selfish or uncomfortable, but it is always healthy to set up a good boundary. People love you more if you are an yes person to everything. At the same time, they will take it for granted. If you know how to say a no for the required situation in a polite manner, then people will start respecting your no as well. Now the fifth point is stand tall and straight. Your body posture matters a lot. Whenever you are talking to someone else, always give a conscious effort to maintain a good body posture. Stand tall and straight, and believe me, that itself will boost your confidence. So these are few tips which I feel like good and useful to create a powerful image or a respectful image among others. So let's have a look into it one by one once more. The first one, stop comparing yourself. Don't compare yourself with others. It will erode your confidence. Stop rejecting praises. Instead, learn to accept it with confidence. And the third one, stand up for yourself. Don't shame yourself for the mistakes what you did. Instead, learn from it and move ahead with confidence. The fourth one, learn to say no. Setting up a healthy boundary is always good. And the fifth one, stand tall and straight. Your body posture matters a lot for your confidence. So these are the tips I have today to share with you. Like this, you may also know many tips. So please share it in the comment box below so that it will be helpful for all of us. If you like the video, please share it and subscribe our YouTube channel Jyotirgamaya. Until next video, take care and bye.